In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Stay by the Kid LAROI and Justin Bieber. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. Thing I told you that I never would, told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with other uke players around the world. So join the family. Click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play Stay, and those chords are F major, G major, A minor, and E minor. Now, if you already know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is G major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then your 3rd finger, and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for the song is E minor. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. Let's play through that string pattern now on the F major chord. 1, 2, F major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. Next, we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 1 turn of the string pattern, G major for 1 turn, A minor for 1 turn, and then E minor for 1 turn of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements and play that all together now. 1, 2, F major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, G major, down, chuck, up, A minor, down, chuck, up, E minor, down, chuck, up, F major, down, chuck, up, G major, down, chuck, up, A minor, down, chuck, up, E minor, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And now let's play the string pattern and the chord progression a little bit faster. 1, 2, F major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, G major, down, chuck, up, A minor, down, chuck, up, B minor, down, chuck, up, F major, down, chuck, up, G major, down, chuck, up, A minor, down, chuck, up, E minor, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Stay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 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 oh. I'll be messed up if you can't be right here. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Stay. And that's You Play Stay by the Kid LAROI and Justin Bieber. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends RJ Hikes and Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join the U Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.